Introducing Runlites, a simple solution to an age-old problem. This unique combination of stylish gloves and high-intensity LED lights lets you see and be seen during any evening or nighttime activity. Runlites are ideal for joggers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts. Runlite's gloves come in two varieties, full length and half length, and there are multiple fabric styles available to match your purpose and personality. Runlites are easy to operate. Simply tap the on-off switch for an incredibly bright beam of light that shines in a broad range in front and around you to clearly light a wide path. The rechargeable battery ensures you will always have a full charge ready to light the way. Thoughtful design features include a Velcro enclosed pocket for keys and cash and elastic palm bands to provide a secure location for personal defense products. And fingertip patches let you use your smartphone while wearing your Runlite's gloves. You don't have to be a fitness enthusiast to use Runlites. Runlites are becoming the favorite way to light the path for any activity where you need hands-free light. Runlites are great for taking a walk and for walking the dog. Students walking home from campus use Runlites. Homeowners use Runlites for searching through attics, for dimly lit closets, and for when the power goes out. With Runlites, the unique gloves with built-in rechargeable lights, you'll always have hands-free light when you need it.